Here's an update to the Documo Fax module for version 7 of OpenEMR. Right now we're on a new install of OpenEMR 7, and if I go to here you can see that we're on 702. Okay, you're going to need this right here, the installation ID, in order to bring up the program properly. So if you go to Administration Globals, and once you install the module, you should see this Fax Module tab here. Take your installation key ID and put it in here. Once you put your installation ID key in here, then once you save that, then log out and log back in. When you log back in, go to the Modules tab, and you should see this right here where it says Fax Account Set Summary. When you open the Fax Account Summary, you should see this here. Okay, so those are a couple changes that have been made in order to get the module up and running in OpenEMR 7. Also, when you go to Miscellaneous, and you'll see Fax History, all your outbound faxes will be shown here. Any inbound faxes will be under here to show inbound faxes. Now back to the settings. One of the things I strongly urge you is that you have to have a valid SSL certificate on your system. If you don't have a valid SSL certificate, Documo will not bring in inbound faxes because it uses a webhook to receive inbound faxes, because it creates a webhook on the back end. Alright, so in order to make sure you have a fully functional and correct SSL certificate, please click this link here. When you click this link, it's going to take you out to a site here, and you're going to put in your fully qualified domain name, and like if I put in, I don't think if you have to put in the HTTPS, but I'm going to go ahead and submit this, and as you can see, it comes back with a B grade report for the SSL on that website. And of course, you don't want a C or D. If you get an F, then it's really not going to work, but a B grade, A or B grade SSL certificate should work okay. This has been an update for the Documo Fax module. Thanks for watching.